What's up, Ankr coin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, hope you have a good day. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Ankr coin. What's the current price? What's the price change so in the Ankr coin? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, as you know, yesterday the fully market crash occurred in the cryptocurrencies market, and the Ankr coin is completely going down. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 weekend, the whole chain is going negative, and people ask me questions that when will the price of Ankr coin again moving upward. But still, at this time, the Ankr coin is in the negative move, and the last 1 hour pricing is also negative. My friends, the latest price of the Ankr coin is 0.090092 USD dollar is the latest price of the Ankr coin at this time in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Ankr coin, so you can see here, I think at this time the pricing is going positive. You can see here at the last hour, from the chart, it's clear that the Ankr coin start pumping. And the previous change is completely going wrong. You can see here the 11th June is the falling day of the Ankr coin, but now in the last hour the price of Ankr coin start moving upward. And my friends, at this time my prediction is 100% positive. I believe that they will continue this jump for a long time. They will continue this pump for a long time, and absolutely if they continue pump, so you will get a good amount of profit from the Ankr coin. The last 3 days price change occurring in the Ankr coin is negative 4.19% price change occurring in the Ankr coin, and the highest price of Ankr coin is 0.096158 USD dollar is the highest price of the Ankr coin at this time in the market. So what do you think about the Ankr coin, and how do you feel today about Ankr coin? Tell me in the comment box. I am feeling 100% positive and I am feeling good. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.